Ever wondered how tough your favourite gemstones are? Join me as I put a Queensland thunder egg, Smoky Quartz, Rose Quartz, Clear Quartz, Amethyst, Carnelian and Australian Agates to the test on the MOHS Scale. Welcome back to the Polished Rock. Today we're putting some stunning stones to the test using the MOHS Scale of Hardness. Let's find out just how tough these beauties are. The MOHS Scale helps us determine the hardness of gemstones, which is crucial for cutting, polishing and durability. It's a fun and practical way to understand the stones we love. First up, Queensland thunder eggs. Thunder eggs are spherical objects made of agate that form in silica-rich volcanic rocks. Next, Smoky Quartz and Rose Quartz. These both ranking around 7 on the scale. And here's Amethyst and Clear Quartz, which share the same hardness. Finally, Carnelian and Australian Agates from Queensland, including those still in their husks. These range from 6.5 to 7. As you can see, most of these stones are quite durable, falling between 6.5 and 7 on the MOHS scale. This makes them ideal for cutting, polishing, and even everyday wear in jewellery. Understanding gemstone hardness is essential for any rock enthusiast. I have added stage 1, 80 grit, water, so on with the lid, screw down and onto the tumbler for around 10 to 12 days. Thanks for joining me on this experiment with the MOHS scale. I will post shorts on the updates between stages to show any progression or changes to the rocks. The next experiment will be between a soft stone, calcite, which has a hardness of 3, and probably more Australian agates, which range from 6.5 to 7 on the scale. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to The Polished Rock for more gemstone adventures.